Okay, in this particular lesson, we're going to go over layers, creating layers. So layers are just stack, what it sounds like. It's just an individual object or text and an individual layer, which can be moved simultaneously around the board. When you go to your right here, inside of your layer, and right over to the right hand side where it says layers and brushes, you notice the background is here. You can highlight and take the background off. Now right below it, it gives you a option where you can create a new layer and add into it an image or object. So we're going to click that. Okay, it's going to be the same size. This layer I'll give transparency so I'm able to see the background here. So now we have a new layer. So whenever you want to work in that layer, you have to click on the layer you want to work on or in. So for instance, right now I'm going to type words. Change the color right quick. Alright. So now, that is a layer by itself. Notice right here. Okay, right under it is a different layer. Okay, I can take it off, I can move it. Oh, excuse me. Make sure I'm on it first. And I can move it around by itself. Now, if I go to the layer below it, say I wanted just to add a block with this simultaneous tool. So I will go under it and I'll add a different color. I'll just use, and then I'll fill it. Oh, that's white again. Change it again. Alright, so now the layer is actually, the actual shape is actually able to be moved around in that particular layer. So we have a layer by itself that can be moved. Okay. Now you're also able to add multiple things onto one layer. So on that same layer, I could add different colors or pictures. There we go. And they will both be on the same layer. See? Now I can add a new layer, change the color, create a file, now this color will be in a different layer, so I can be able to move just that layer. Now you're able to guide it over sections and things of that nature. So now you're able to create multiple layers. And you see how other things don't move. So all these layers are able to create simultaneously. What you do is go inside. You can play with each part, each layer. You know, manipulate it and test it out on your own time. But that's how that works. Okay.